Anō whānau, it's me, Buster Cuz, back at it again on another new adventure. Today I'm here at Takapuna Beach. I got my spade and I got this. Ooh, can you guess what I'm gonna do? Come check it out. Let's get into it, whānau. Boo, boo, boo. One little circle and one big circle. Okay, let's do it. Check this out. My moat's already starting to fill up with water. Oh, check out all my mean-ass tools I've got to make my sandcastle. Let's get into it, eh? Check out this one. Awesome. Oh, it worked. It's standing up. Let's do another one. Some more little ones, maybe. All right, here we go. That's one, Tahi. Let's do another one. Number 2. Boom. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, what do we need now? What do we need? I know. Decorations. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna need some shells. Oh, these ones are beautiful. Tahi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this. Come on, let's decorate. First, check this out. Nice. Nice. Oh, last piece of seaweed. Here we go. Oh, it's done! Hoorah! Mean. Do you know my best part about making sandcastles? Is knocking them down. Let's get a run up. Oh, I better take the flags off first so I don't hurt myself. Awesome, here we go. I'm gonna get a really, really big run up. Better take my hat off for this one. Okay, starting line. Come on, Buzz. Go see. That's the buzz, my cuz. Have a mean time, ka kite.